The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Fire attack launched at the units from the 28th Mechanized Infantry Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Pravdino in Kherson region has resulted in causing casualties of over 200 persons and 21 units of military equipment. Personnel of the 4th Company from the 2nd Battalion of the above-mentioned formation was actually eliminated due to the fault of the commander of the 28th Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces, who had sent this unit to counter-attack towards a minefield. Fire attack launched at the 3rd Battalion from the 1st Presidential Brigade that made an unsuccessful attempt to counter-attack has resulted in causing casualties of over 60 persons, 4 tanks and 8 motor vehicles. Russian aerospace forces have launched a high-precision attack at the provisional base of the 2nd Battalion from the 93rd Mechanized Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Artyomovsk. Over 75 militants and 9 units of military equipment have been eliminated. Operational, tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 8 command posts near Artyomovsk, Svyatogorsk, Alexandrovka, Yarovaya in Donetsk People's Republic, Kupiansk, Chervony Oskol in Kharkov region, the provisional base of Donbass Nationalist Group near Nikolaevka in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 68 artillery units, 147 manpower and military equipment concentration areas. 12 munitions and armament depots have been destroyed near Kamenka in Kharkov region, Krasnoarmeysk, Dimitrov, Seversk in Donetsk People's Republic, and Belaya Krynitsa in Kherson region. Air defense facilities have shut down 11 unmanned aerial vehicles near Staromayorskoye, Petrovskoye, Karpovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Stepnoye, Bobrovy Kut, Mirolubovka, Krasnoselskoye, Volkovskoye and Charivnoye, including 1 Bayraktar unmanned aerial vehicle near Dmitrenko in Kherson region. Moreover, 28 projectiles launched by US-manufactured HIMARS MRLS and 3 HARM anti-radar missiles have been destroyed near Svistunovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Chernobyevka, Zavetnoye and near Kakhovka hydroelectric power plant in Kherson region. In total, 295 airplanes and 155 helicopters, 2,018 unmanned aerial vehicles, 375 air defense missile systems, 5,052 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 841 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,405 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 5,743 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. Ukrainian artillery continued launching attacks at Energodar and the territory of Zaporozhye nuclear power plant. The explosion of a Ukrainian large-caliber projectile has resulted in damaging one of the tubes that forms part of the service water system for the first security system at the 5th power plant. Moreover, this night, Ukrainian artillery launched an attack at an electric power transmission line that runs from the 5th power plant near Energodar. The attack at the station was launched from the firing positions of Ukrainian armed forces deployed near Marganets. The artillery units of the Ukrainian armed forces were neutralized by a counter-attack. The current radiation environment near Zaporozhye nuclear power plant remains normal.